Hello and welcome to the Practical Animal channel. Today's video is about one of Britain's best little museums. If you don't know it, you need to visit it if you're a naturalist and you're interested in zoology and animal collections. The sign, hopefully you can see it in the background, the Natural History Museum at Tring. It's just there. And it was opened by Lord Walter Rothschild in the late 19th century. Go there if you don't know it. It's full of natural history specimens. I took my 15-year-old child and it stimulated some fascinating discussions about the role of museums today. I haven't got a tripod, so excuse the camera movement, but I wanted to get this in quickly. It stimulated discussions about things like when conservationists act to save species from extinction, species such as rhinos, so we covered the work of conservation biologists. We looked around the cabinets. Note that during COVID the opening times are restricted to 10:30 a.m, 1:30, 1 o'clock, and 3 o'clock. So you've got an hour and a half to visit it 3 times a day. That's the Natural History Museum at Tring in Hertfordshire in southern England. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching. I'm on a very busy road, so I'm not going to continue with this video. Bye for now.